that I wanted to tell stories that mattered, on air, on screen, or behind the scenes. That's what I found in BGMC program at Kalinga University. We get training in real studios, how journalism works through anchoring, reporting, and media production. It's experimental, career-focused, and prepares us for the world of the news, media, and storytelling. This university actually provided me what's possible. It gave me confidence to take the center stage. Every journalist starts with a story. Mine started at Kalinga. Join us PGMC program at Kalinga University.